step-by-step guide on how you can receive money using the MoneyGram app. First, you want to download and log in. You will open up the MoneyGram app or download it if you haven't, and log in or create an account with your ID and info. Then you will tap Track and Receive. You want to tap the Track and Receive on the home screen and enter the 8-digit reference number. The sender gives you this number. You will then check the transfer details. You'll see the amount, sender, and the delivery method. If it's cash pickup, you want to know the location and that ID is required. You will then complete ID verification if needed. For some transfers, you may need to upload a photo ID to confirm your info. Pick up or wait for deposit. If it's a cash pickup, you will go to the selected agent location with your ID and the reference number. If it's a bank or mobile deposit, you will just wait for the money to arrive, usually same day or between 1 to 3 days. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.